Hello everyone. How are you all? I am your friend, your host Devottam, and you are listening to Better You Better Life, a self-improvement plan podcast, season 1. I am bringing before all of you a 17 episode podcast series on sustainable development goals. We might have heard multiple times across different forums, across different social media handles, in the newspapers or in the news bulletins about sustainable development goals. What are these goals exactly? And what is the significance of all these goals? And why you should know about it? In the intro episode I have always discussed about like why we should know, हमें ये सब क्यों समझना चाहिए, एक नागरिक होने के नाते हमारी क्या जिम्मेदारियां बनती है हमारी समाज के तरफ, and what responsible or what accountability do we hold in ensuring that future generations will have a better days to come. Now, in Dubai, UAE, COP28 conference is going on. COP28 is nothing but a conference where all the countries of the planet, developed countries, developing countries, and other third world countries, who meet in a single forum to discuss about the actions that they need to take against climate change, because we all are vulnerable to the effects of climate change, or let me repeat myself, we all are vulnerable to the harmful effects of climate change. As an awareness initiative from my side, I will take each of these sustainable development goals, shortly speaking SDG goals, and try to make all understand the concept in a very simple way. It is not so technical. It is just from our educational point of view that we should know about these goals for our responsible behavior as citizens and combating climate change. In every episode, I will be taking one goal at a time so that it will be easier for you to understand and comprehend. I will try to make it more entertaining, like I will be bringing some imaginary characters as a representative of all our humankind, and will try to tell you in a story form. Episodes will be very short, very crisp, and in a very simple language. So what else you need? Just grab your headphones and just listen to these recordings, and make sure that you share these recordings, these podcast episodes with your friends as well. Sit back, just listen to it as fun and entertainment. Just take this as a capsule, as a medicine of small education coupled with entertainment and fun. It's a small perspective from my side on sustainable development goals. I hope you will enjoy it. In this episode, we will be dealing about sustainable development goals 1, goal number 1 out of 17. So, before I start this first goal, let me ask a few basic questions to all of you. Do you feel hungry? Are you able to feed yourself and your family members every day? If yes, then let me assure you that you are one of the many luckier people surviving in this planet, because there are still people in this world who are able to arrange only one-time meals for themselves every single day. Life is like a constant battle of survival for them every day. Now, to understand this sustainable development goal, let us try to understand this concept in the form of a hypothetical story. Imagine a world where no one goes to bed hungry, where each and every child, just like Maria, has a safe place to call home, and where economic opportunities are within reach for all. To bring the context, here Maria is a bright-eyed teenager living in a small village, and she symbolizes countless individuals across worldwide who are affected by poverty. But here is the spark of hope. The first Sustainable Development Goals speaks about no poverty. गरीबी नहीं होना चाहिए. By 2030, the world envisions a place where extreme poverty is consigned to the history books. 2030 तक संयुक्त राष्ट्र United Nations is planning that nobody will be under extreme poverty. Maria's family knew the bitter sting of poverty. They struggled to put food on the table, and Maria's education was a mere fantasy. Of course, if they are unable to feed themselves, then thinking about education and other basic necessities is out of their imagination. Then, a local initiative have changed their lives forever. Maria's mother received training that enabled her to start a small business. Soon, the family had enough to eat because of the livelihood. Maria could finally attend school and their prospect improved. So, what we can learn from Maria's journey? Maria's journey shows that focused effort can break the shackles of poverty. How Maria's mother has got livelihood, and that has changed the entire context of their family. They could come out of poverty and now they can design their lifestyle at that level. So my dear friends, no poverty means what you can do at your level, at an individual level. For young minds who are eager to make a meaningful impact, here is your chance. Support local organizations who are committed to lifting families out of poverty. And this is the very first powerful step. Try to volunteer, try to offer your time, skills or resources in empowering those individuals who are in the poverty line. Try to become an advocate for policies that fosters economic inclusion and ensure access to education for all, because education is the first device to beat poverty. Youthful energy and determination are powerful drivers for change, and your contribution can make a significant difference in vanishing out poverty from this planet. So that's it for this episode. I'm trying to summarize what I have discussed shortly. Sustainable Development Goal, that is goal number 1, the aspiration for a world with no poverty, is not just a dream. It's a goal that is achievable and well within our reach. We have discussed about Maria, a character who represents the humankind in the planet, those who are struggling with poverty, and countless other people who demonstrate the potential to transform lives. By actively participating in and supporting initiatives that vanishes poverty, you too can become an integral part of this solution. Your actions, no matter how small it is, can have ripple effect and change the course of your destinies. That's it for this episode. We will discuss about Sustainable Development Goal 2 with another interesting approach. Till then, stay safe and take care all. I hope that you found this episode helpful. In the next episode, we will discuss, or we will bring some other idea or concept in order to become better version of yourself. I thank you for being with me and listening to this podcast. This is your host signing off.